If you want to hear about using water butts and other water containers, test a water filter system and a couple of other hacks, stay tuned. If you're going to use a water butt to save water, remember two things. The water comes off the roof and brings all the dirt and pollutants with it. If you're going to drink it, you've got to filter it and sterilise it. Also, you'll get a build-up of dirt and silt below the tap in the bottom of the barrel. At this level, it's mud, not clean water. An easy way to clean the whole system is to drain it as far as possible, then disconnect it, tip out the sludge into a drain and wash it down with a hose. You need to do this fairly frequently if you're using it for drinking water, and once every couple of years if you're using it for water for the garden. If you have some plastic water bottles put aside for notified water emergencies, keep the tops and the thread covered with cling film. This keeps the sensitive parts of the bottles clean for when you need them. If you are going to store water in plastic jerry cans, make sure they're small enough for you to be able to carry. If they're too big, you can't use them properly. Cut the top off an old bottle, fill it full of paper towel, and then you can use it as a spout when you need it. The paper towel will keep it clean, and you can also use the paper towel as a filter. It's been reported that a paper towel or two will make a quick and easy filter for dirty water. Like last time when I tried it with fabric, we'll see how it goes. To make the test realistic and easy, we used some water that had been used to water the plants. It had come out of the bottom of the pots and was contaminated with soil. The paper towel is soaking up the liquid quite quickly. The first experiment worked, but not very well. The water was cleaned, but only a little. The second experiment used the cleaner water. Even pouring the liquid through multiple layers of kitchen roll seems to make little difference. So although the transfer of liquid from one container to another is quicker, it's still not very effective. Want to keep the sucker on your wife's knife sharpener clean so you can use it for your bushcraft knife? Wrap it in cling film to keep the pad clean when you put it away. If you're testing out your new mess kit for size, use measures that you know already, like a cup, and see how they fit the mess kit for when you use it in the field. Get out there, get training. You know it makes sense. It'll serve you well.